Okay guys, hello, welcome to the Celica project. Today, the very first thing I'm going to be doing to this car is fix the radio. If you guys can see, if you look over here, the radio does not turn on whatsoever. So what we're gonna do is figure out what the problem is, and I have just the answer. So if you look over here on the passenger side, sorry about that. If you look over here on the passenger side, there's this panel right here. To get into here, open that up, and actually, if you look right here on this, let it zoom in. There we go. Focus. Okay. So look down to the right. Should stay radio. See where that's at. Radio right there on the right hand side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's number 2415A. So that would be the fuse you need if it's blown. Unfortunately, that would be the case. So is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here. I bought some of these for a pretty good price at AutoZone. It was like, I don't know, $5. Not too bad of a deal. Comes with quite a bit extras, so including a fuse puller, which is a good thing. So let's put this in and see what it does. You can see it's the blue one, and this one is new, so obviously it's good. And how you can tell if they're bad is in the center of the fuse on the top where the two pieces of metal meet, like the U, will be blown out. They will not be connected no more. There will more likely be corrosion on the bottom of these as well. So when you're looking at fuses, if the two pieces aren't connecting, that means your fuse is blown. So let's put this in and let's see if that was the problem. Sorry about the angle. Try to get this in there. Okay, that should be it. Let's see what happens. Let's cross our fingers. Look at that. Hello, radio. Let it focus. Okay, well, if your radio isn't turning on in a Toyota Celica 2004, from 2000 to 2005, then that could be the problem. Your fuse is blown. Okay then. Just
into the abyss. Snap judgment.
well, alright. You guys have a good day. That should be it. Hope that helped anybody.